One of Dane County's most notorious cases of stalking has made its way to the Supreme Court. News 3's Jessica Arp tells us he claims police actions leading to his most recent conviction were unconstitutional.
The police, under cover of night, crept under Michael Sveum's car.
The placement of GPS to track a convicted stalker is at issue in a case before the Supreme Court. Michael Sveum of Cross Plains, first convicted of stalking in 1996, continued stalking an ex-girlfriend from prison through a family member. After being released, the victim informed police in 2003 that Sveum was doing it again. So police got a court order to secretly put a GPS on his car inside his garage.
They are within an area as to which I have, and most reasonable people have, a subjective expectation of privacy.
Sveum's lawyer argues that the GPS violated his Fourth Amendment rights, although the state says its court order made it all legal.
They had the authorization and order. What more did they need, in your estimation?
I think they needed a warrant.
The Assistant Attorney General says because Sveum was only tracked on public roads, it's not a violation.
It is akin to, yes, a greatly enhanced and greatly more efficient visual surveillance, that it is akin to a cop following the car for 24 hours and monitoring its movements.
But there is some question about whether that court order went too far.
Well, I guess
it's amazing to me. You can come into my house, get a key to get my car, to drive it away, all without a warrant.
But again, that's tied into the probable cause finding. And if you have probable cause, you can go into someone's house and rummage through the house for whatever it is you have probable cause to look for.
Now, Sveum is currently in prison serving time from his first stalking sentence. He was sentenced to an additional 7 years on the 2003 conviction.
Very interesting case. When is the court set to rule on it?
Well, they will rule later this year. We expect the case got to the Supreme Court after Sveum's conviction was upheld in an appellate court.
We'll continue to follow it. Jessica Arp reporting. Thanks, Jess.